And I'm back again with a video. And then the story right now is always about the same. The stories right now are always about the same thing, which is the AFCON. Of course, it's the only thing that we have in our eyes right now. Today we are witnessing the semi-finals of the tournament. The first match that we're going to have is between Nigeria and South Africa. And then moving on later on today, we're going to have the host nation, which is the Ivory Coast, going toe-to-toe with DR Congo. And then we know that Victor Osimhen is now back in the Nigerian squad and was training with them. That means that he is available for the game against South Africa. Well, this comes to light after it was said that he had some abdominal discomfort. But then all of that right now is okay, and it has been resolved. And then it was also confirmed that Utapelo Maseko is out for the rest of the tournament after he got a hamstring injury against the Cape Verde, which South Africa faced in the quarterfinals of the tournament. So guys, those are the two games that we have today, and then obviously the winner between the two games will head straight to the final, and then the losers in the semi-finals will be battling for the 3rd/4th spot of the AFCON. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh no, before I actually wrap it up, it was said that Samuel Eto'o had handed in his resignation letter to the Cameroon FA, and then after they saw the resignation letter and thought it through, they rejected his resignation letter, meaning that the Cameroon FA still want to keep Eto'o as president of the Football Association. So guys, that's all from me to you, man. I see everything that you're doing. Please continue doing so. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for better, you need to know, man. Thank you.